Hi my country people, how una dey? Na newspaper review tori I bring una from Naija and all over the world. My name na Misola. Air Force helicopter wey belong to Nigerian Air Force (NAF) don crash dis early momo Monday for Tami village wey dey Igabi local government area, Kaduna State. Pipo wey witness am tok say di incident happen around 5 a.m. causing big noise for di environment. Dem say di helicopter experience technical problem wey make am crash, but di pilot come out alive. Pipo for Tami village quickly gather for di crash site to help dem so dat nobody go kpai. We hear say na immediately team of military officers from Nigerian Air Force reach di place to secure di area and also to know wetin cause di crash. Till di time dem file dis report, NAF never bring out any statement to know wetin happen, but we expect say investigation go don start. Dis further tori dey inside Punch. Nigeria Customs Service (NCS) don seize 40-feet container wey different weapon full inside with codeine drugs for Onne Port, Rivers State. Di Controller General of Customs, Bashir Adewale Adeniyi, wey display dis weapons and drugs to journalists for Onne Rivers State today, Monday, tok say na from Turkey dem bring di weapons. E say dem hide di weapon and drug inside akube cloth. Dis further tori dey inside Daily Post. Na today Federal High Court for Abuja dismiss di ₦1 billion case wey leader of di indigenous people of Biafra (IPOB) Nnamdi Kanu file against Nigerian government and DSS. Justice James Omotosho hold am say Kanu fail to show evidence say DSS disturb im conversation with im lawyer. E also say evidence no dey to show say true court deny Kanu's lawyer fair hearing as dem claim. Na based on dis, judge dismiss all di suit sake of say dem lack merit. Dis further tori dey inside Daily Post. One member of House of Representatives, Professor Obi Orogbu from Labour Party Anambra, wey dey represent Awka North and South Federal Constituency, today Monday distribute sewing and grinding machine to 200 widows and youths. Na News Agency of Nigeria (NAN) report say dem collabo with Federal College of Horticulture, Northern Innovation Services Limited and Federal Ministry of Agriculture to distribute di items. Orogbu, wen she dey tok for di event, say di empowerment na to promote economic self-sufficiency, reduce poverty and improve community development. She say dis one go bring brighter future for everybody. Wen some of di beneficiaries dey tok to journalists, dem appreciate di lawmaker for di timely intervention as dem say dis step go help cushion di effect of di current economic hardship. Dis further tori dey inside The Guardian. Abia State Governor Alex Otti don throway congratulobia to players, fans, technical crew and management of Abia Warriors Football Club of Umuahia for dia remarkable performance in di just concluded President Federation Cup, on top say dem lose 0-2 to El Kanemi Warriors of Maiduguri. Otti, wey praise di team, say dem make Abia State and Abia pipo proud inside dis year edition because improvement dey for dia performance dis time. Di governor commend di team as dem break di jinx wey make dem reach final for di first time and encourage make dem use di experience for di next challenge. Dis further tori dey inside Leadership. Nollywood actress Iyabo Ojo don continue to dey lambast dis controversial social media critic Very Dark Man (VDM) after dia recent fallout. Reports show say VDM provoke Ojo and her partner Paulo as e claim say di Afrobeat singer Davido no invite dem to im wedding but except to di after party. Na dis one make Paulo, wey be music executive, call im associates wey be Cubana chief priest Tunde Ednut, Seun Kuti, including Davido himself, wey dey also associate with VDM, make dem distance themselves from VDM or else im no go make friends with dem again. Na inside new video wey Iyabo Ojo share for her Instagram, she blame VDM mama for her son behaviour. She say na beast di mama raise, no be human being. She con threa ten say anytime she meet VDM mama, she go worse am slap sake of say she no do her job well, she no raise her son well. Meanwhile, we hear say VDM dey police custody where e dey answer question on top cyberbullying offence. Dis further tori dey inside Daily Post. If una gbadun dis tori, make una help me subscribe, like, share and comment so dat we go dey notify una as other tori dey shele.